Yeah, I use sound effects all the time, but it's interesting how you mentioned when we first started working together, we didn't always use sound effects. And I feel like as you become a better editor or a better storyteller, that's when you start adding those little elements. It wasn't always my first reaction was to add those extra sounds, but it's crazy when you just add a little riser here, or you add a little bit of emotion, or just a hit, like, yeah, okay, you captured the original sound. When you add a sound effect for the hit exactly where you want it, exactly the level you want it, it really, really makes your video pop.